Florence slowly opens the door to her cozy toy room. Everything is quiet. Everything is soft. Everything is ready for sleep. She finds her pink teddy bear and gives it a slow, gentle hug. Teddy is tired. Florence is tired. Everything feels calm and sleepy. Next, Florence strokes her princess doll's hair. Slowly, softly, carefully, the princess doll is ready for sleep too. She pours one last tiny cup of sleepy time tea for her toys. Slow hands, quiet sounds. Everything winding down for the night. Florence pats her soft unicorn plush. Each gentle stroke makes the room feel slower and quieter and sleepier. The tiny rooms inside are going to sleep. Lights low, voices quiet, everything drifting into dreams. Now Florence closes the little dollhouse door. She finishes the last soft line in her coloring book. The moon is sleepy. The stars are sleepy. Florence's hands are sleepy too. One by one, the toys go into the box to rest, slowly in, and the room becomes quiet and calm and ready for sleep. Florence walks to the bathroom. She turns on the water very slowly. Warm water flows over her hands. She washes them gently, slowly, carefully. The water is warm and calm. She picks up her soft toothbrush, brush, 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 very gently on her teeth. Each stroke is slow and calm, then a tiny sip of cool water. Her mouth is clean. Her body is ready for sleep. Florence climbs into her bed. The blanket is soft and warm. She closes her eyes. Her breathing becomes slow and deep. In and out, in and out. Everything is quiet. Everything is safe. Florence is asleep, and you can sleep too.